This is ABC Action News, taking action for you.
New this morning, Florida now leads the nation in new HIV cases. That's according to a new report from the Centers for Disease Control. Nonprofits here in the Bay Area are taking action to get people tested. ABC Action News reporter Lauren Rosella shares the story of one long-term survivor and the reason he says young people need to be careful.
Was he the love of your life?
Definitely.
When Michael Toller first saw his future partner back in the mid-'80s, he knew.
I went up to him and asked him to dance, and that was it.
But then their love story cut short. Both Michael and his partner receiving a devastating HIV diagnosis. He says back then that was most often an impending death sentence.
There were no meds. People shunned you.
His partner died just 12 months later, and Michael, grieving, moved to St. Pete. Today, he is especially concerned about the growing numbers of HIV cases across the Tampa Bay area.
Young people say, are carefree.
EPIC, a nonprofit with Empath Health, provides services to people impacted by HIV and AIDS throughout the Tampa Bay area.
HIV has been something that has been controllable for so long that's, I think, one of the reasons why we're seeing such an uptick in cases.
Now there was a huge push to get people tested for HIV across Hillsborough and Pinellas counties, and also connected to resources through nonprofits like this.
It is a prick of your finger. It is a blood drop. You get your results in a couple of minutes.
EPIC tells us getting tested and knowing if you have it is key, but also prevention.
It affects every aspect of your life if you're HIV positive.
While medications help manage HIV and AIDS, some have terrible side effects, as Michael can personally attest. He's now asking everyone to do what they can to prevent the spread of HIV. In Tampa, Lauren Rosella, ABC Action News.
Well, check out an in-depth story on abcactionnews.com to learn more about how treatment for HIV has improved dramatically over the years.